Hey friends, okay, so if you're here in the hub, you've been hearing a lot of commotion from one corner of this space, and that is the Microsoft Learn booth, okay? So I'd like to welcome my friend Derek Peterson to, first of all, explain himself, okay? Derek, I hear you got some important Microsoft Learn updates, but first, what is happening? Yeah.
So at the foundation of every single digital transformation is actually that you have understanding. And this is celebrating the certifications, which says, I took training, I understand it, and now I'm ready to do it.
So if you get certified, like really, you come up here, you hoist the trophy, you throw streamers. It is a celebration. So if you haven't done this yet, get over here and do it. Okay, so let's to the thing you're actually working on. Tell me about the personalized learning plans and what is happening. What is a personalized learning plan?
So Benjamin Franklin put it really well when he said, failing to plan is planning to fail.
Okay.
So at the beginning of any learning journey is a plan.
Okay.
And we at Build introduced plans that were official.
Okay.
Here, we're introducing ones where using AI, you can answer a handful of questions about the project or career transformation that you want. And then it creates a plan specific for you.
Okay, I love this because now you're saying, we know not all learners are the same. No one's at the same place in their journey. I actually have not found two people in the same place on their AI journey, even a little bit, or their learning journey in general. So this plan is designed to help you just give a roadmap, like an AI-generated roadmap.
In the most efficient way possible and the most effective way possible for you.
Okay, so I'm going to get stuck doing my plan. I'm telling you right now. What happens when I get stuck doing my plan?
We introduced the Ask Learn Assistant last week.
Really?
And that means that when you miss a term, when you forget it, we all forget terms, or the concept, and you get stuck, you have your little friend, Ask Learn Assistant, that is there with you to be able to answer them, get you unstuck.
Okay, so we've got a Learn Assistant to help us learn. And one of the things that I find very interesting about this is that we're using AI to foster AI learning.
Yes.
Right? And I think that's incredibly special and very, very cool. So what is some of the feedback that you're getting from just people? I've seen a lot of people making these personalized learn things.
Yeah, we're getting feedback about the plan specifically of, oh my goodness, I've been using these, but it took a little bit more time than I had with the official plans because there are things that are included that I already know. Yeah. And so these official plans are just accelerating it. So everyone is really excited for them because it's helping them achieve we've been hearing about the cool things that have shipped all week.
Yes, absolutely.
But how do you do it? And that's what the plans are for.
How do you do it? So it's all very exciting, but where does one go to learn more? Where does one go to learn more about Learn plans and the assistant thing?
Yeah, if you're here in Chicago, come to the Learn booth. We'll walk you through how to create a plan.
Come to the Learn booth.
If you are not here, go to Learn at Ignite, and it's going to walk you through how to create a plan.
Okay.
And then you'll run into the Ask Learn Assistant on Azure Content in English for now.
Okay.
So we're going to go to all products on Learn, all languages as well.
Okay.
And that'll be coming soon.
Okay. So first of all, there's cheering because someone just got certified in the background. But we're going to do Ask Learn at Ignite.
Yes.
aka.ms Learn at Ignite.
Correct.
Is all you folks at home, go to aka.ms Learn at Ignite. Do this after this as well. But if you're here in the arena, get over here because it's actually pretty cool to watch them put together a plan for you. And you should be then going and making a plan for everyone who you work with.
Absolutely.
Because everyone's plan is going to be a little bit different. I think that's awesome. Yeah. Okay. So we're in English language only right now. Of course, that will change.
Yep.
And what was your Learn plan like? Actually, Derek, I have lots of questions.
Some of the things I've heard about here, I'm like, oh, we need to go build that on Learn.
Yeah.
And so even for us, I'm like, oh, I want to go create a plan. Mm-hmm. So I'm planning on creating one talking about agents.
Yes, of course.
Which are really exciting.
Thank you.
And so that's my next plan.
Okay.
When I have a minute, I'm going to do that.
Okay. Once you get a minute, you're going to create a plan so you can learn about agents. I was here last night and someone created a plan to do an entire security certification. They said they've just started their cybersecurity journey and it started with intro to, security. What is it? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Then it got deep into some of the tools and the products, etc. But I like that it's a plan that's not too overwhelming.
Yes.
Something that people can do. When sometimes a plan's like, here's 5 years worth of stuff, too much. So I like that these are a lot more specific and a lot more something you can do in the next, 30, 60, 90 days.
Absolutely. And if you've already taken training on Learn, it's going to still show up in the plan, but it's going to show as completed.
Yes.
And so now you can skip through it.
Yes.
It's personalized to you again.
I love that. Okay. This was fabulous. Derek, thank you so much for joining us. And everyone here in the hub, come down to the Learn booth because we want you to show off your certification, get your trophy, get streamers thrown at you, and make your plan. Thank you.
Thank you.